Hey guys, update time. Okay, so now I've been working on this overhead console for Low and Slow almost every night, doing a little bit, let it dry, do a little bit more, let it dry. So you can see it's all in one piece. Now, if you remember at the start of this video, it was pretty bad. Well, I mean, it's still pretty bad, but look at this, it's all in one piece. So I've epoxied a crack there. Last night I also did some washers. I accidentally mixed two kinds of epoxy together. Yeah, probably not a good idea. It's hard. It's a little bit weird, but yeah, don't recommend that. So, learned my lesson, but let's take a look. Now this, if you remember, is the worst spot. So we'll see how we did, but look at that. Like there's a, I don't know if the camera's gonna show that, but there's still a little line there where the crack was. But I think with that, you know, you gotta remember, this is gonna be in the overhead like this. So most of those cracks, you're not even gonna see. Like this one on the back, it's gonna be in the sleeper. On the passenger side, there's gonna be a speaker right there. You know, there's a little bit of distortion there, but not bad. You got to remember, these are old trucks. So anyways, I'm gonna pull this tape off, and this tuck tape works really good. So for holding things, I like it. And yeah, liking that, liking this. Gonna have to get some square speaker covers, but I'm really happy with how this is turning out, gotta say. And you see how I used a washer in there, and then I epoxied the washer in, so then when I put the screw in, it's got some strength. This one I got some drippage, so I'm gonna have to cut that. But this is the worst spot right here. So we'll see, if I pull the tape off, how hideous or not hideous it looks. And the other thing I was thinking, I could probably go see the guys at Fibrenew that repair plastics and vinyls all the time and see if they have a trick to making the cracks disappear. They might mock me for, you know, my JB Weldathon, but or maybe I'll just clean it up myself, because at the end of the day, we're on a budget. We gotta save our money for freaking drop visors and Mac Daddy kits and paint jobs. And I like the original look with the original visor. So here we go, moments of truth. You know, it's not terrible. I don't think it's terrible. Other than I got tape stuck in the JB Weld, which I'm positive I can clean up. Look at that. Like, it's, I mean, I don't know. Can you guys see that? Try and, so I can clean this up to get that tape off. That's the worst of this whole thing right there. But this will also be in the truck like this. So you will see this, but there again, I think we can hide it. Ooh. I really do. You know, it's solid now. You know, maybe I'll go see if I can get a hold of the Fibrenew guys and say, hey, can you make this look pretty? Or, you know, maybe just hit it with some plastic paint. But we're gonna give her a whirl. Because at the end of the day, I basically got this from the wreckers for next to nothing. Yeah, call it nothing. So I think that's worth the time and energy that I've spent on it. You know, and now Low and Slow will have a OEM style console. I managed to find a couple lights for here. This one, I don't know if I can save it or not. I might have to find another light. I need to source some of the speaker covers and speakers for here. Excuse me. I've got the panel for here. I can see about putting a CB or a VHF in it. You know, here in Canada, we don't really use CBs anymore. We use VHFs, but the CBs kind of look cool. So probably put a VHF in there. But that can wait. Still got to put the piece here, or pardon me, I got to trim this and drill a hole. In fact, where is that piece? Yeah, so this piece here goes like this and screws in. So what I'll do is I'll line that up and screw it to it and see, like, so when that's in there, honestly, I think this looks pretty good. I mean, is it perfect? Heck no. And I might put some here. This was the hardest part because it was just trashed. You know, so it still doesn't look great as far as right here goes, but I think I can live with it. To have a radio mount, to be able to put a VHF or CB in it. I'll clean this up so it's shiny black, and I think it's gonna hide things pretty good. Wash her up, clean her up, and even if I can't hide the cracks like, you know, like that one, if this is all nice and shiny black, the only place you're gonna see that is from the sleeper. But, and I gotta wash that too because it's dirty. But overall, I'm pretty happy. You know, like look at there, there's a crack there, and this was all cracked along there. This Pete emblem is a little bit, well, it's a little corroded-y. I don't know if I can clean that up or I'll just leave it. But, you know what? It's gonna work just fine. If I find a better one day, great. If I don't, no big deal. So yeah, tell me what you think. Do you think that's gonna work? You think you're gonna notice that? Watch me drop it and break it now. No, because you figure it's gonna be sitting like that, you know, and that bottom plate, well, let's just show you. So look at it again. It's like this. That's how it's gonna sit in the truck. So the stuff on the inside of the hole, you're not really gonna notice. So it's basically like right here and here. But you're gonna have a speaker cover there. So I don't think it'll be too bad. I mean, no one's gonna know except you and me. But look at it. It's all one piece. And the best part is, what did it cost me? Well, probably $100 in JB Weld. No, it probably wasn't that much, but plus it's the fun of bringing something back to life. You know, like taking something that was basically garbage and recycling it. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments. That's it for now for my headliner console restoration. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna need to find a fan. We'll clean this up. I'll drill a hole for here, put one of these clippy things in it. I'll glue some more washers into the broken holes, clean up the ones that aren't, see if I can shine this up a little bit, get my glue off, give it a little polish, and yeah, see how it goes. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers. Yep. Not too bad. A little surprised I got it that good, to tell you the truth. There's one more hole. hole. Fill that hole. That's the best, most important part. The bestest part. That's the bestest part. Now, considering it's not too shababby. Little coarse. Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. JD welding stuff back together cause he doesn't know how to do it all the other way. Making his way, gluing stuff together. Gluing it together with epoxy cause I'm addicted to JB Weld. Sorry about that, it's a little creepy. Okay, I'll go away now.